Hi friends, today we're going to do a literacy lesson outside. So who knows what sounds we will hear while we're out here. So you will need your Build a Word magnet board to make words. And we have new letters today. Are you ready? We have these letters, 7 new letters. We have the letter D, which makes the sound what? Dotted, d, 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 d. We have the letter I, which makes the sound I, igloo, or ice cream. We have the letter U that says unicorn, or umbrella. We have the letter V that says violin. We have the letter, what's that? J, and J says jelly bean, jam. We have the letter C, and C says k, k, k. And we have the letter K that also makes what sound? K, k, k. You're right. C and K make the same sound. Oh, but I guess you guys already knew that, right? All right, so we're going to sing the 7 Little Letters song. Do you remember how it goes? All right, let's see if you can help me. Let's take these away. 7 little letters went out to play over the hill and far away. This letter says D, 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 D. Which little letter came all the way back? D, 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 D. What letter came all the way back? You guys know what what letter that is? Is it the letter D, or is it the letter J? You're right, it's the letter D. What word can we make with the letter D? Oh, let's see. I have this new block today to show you. There it is. Uppercase D, uppercase, lowercase. Let's see what's on our D block. Dinosaur. Rawr. Lowercase d. Oh, look at it, it's a match. We've got door. We've got duck. We've got dog. Yep, we got them all. All right. So let's spell the word dog. Are you ready? So we need our D. Octopus. There's our O, and then we need a dog. What letter is that? G. Oh, we spelled the word dog. Nice job. All right, let's see what other letters are gonna come. Here we go. 7 little letters went out to play over the hill and far away. This letter says I, or I. Which letter came all the way back? What letter do you think that could be? Do you think it's an I, or do you think it's a C? What letter says I or I? You're right. It's the letter I. So I have another block for us. Oh, look it. And it has the letter I on it. Let's see what we have today. We've got igloo, and insect, and ink, and iguana. So these have all short vowel sounds. We could say ice cream, right? Or, oh, I brought you something special. What's that? Ice. Let's spell ice. I see. Ice. I know that sounds like an S, Though when you get older, you'll learn that seed has different sounds. Ice. All right, friends. Ooh, this ice cube is melting quick because it's hot out here today. All right, let's do a new letter. 7 little letters went out to play over the hill and far away. This letter says, are you ready? J, 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 j. What letter could that be? J, j, j. Is it a J or is it a D? D. J. You're right, it's a J. You guys are so smart. All right, so I have a black for the letter J. Uppercase, lowercase. We got J, Jack in the box. Oh, look at lowercase. J, J, jelly beans. J, J, jar. J, J, jet. Ooh, let's spell the word jet. And I know in your case too, in your box, you have a J, jet. So we need a J, t, t, t. Jet. We spelled the word jet. All right, let's find a new letter. 7 little letters went out to play over the hill and far away. This letter said k, 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 k. This little letter came all the way back. K, 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 k. Okay, which one is it? Is it the K or the G? What makes the k, k sound? You're right, it's the K. The K. Let's see what's on our K block today. Koala, lowercase. Key. Kite. Kangaroo. All right, I think we're gonna spell kite. So we need our K, and we need a K, I, and a t, 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 t. Kite. Kite. And we don't hear that silent E, so you guys might not be that far. You'll learn that someday too. Kite. All right, here we go. What's our new letter? 7 little letters went out to play over the hill and far away. This letter said U or umbrella. What letter came all the way back? Was it this one? Or was it this one? We're looking for the sound U or You're right, it's the U. U says umbrella or unicorn. Oh, look who's coming. Oh, it's a unicorn. And I'm not going to spell that because that's a really long word. But unicorn. You guys can do that. Unicorn. All right. We have a few more left. 7 little letters went out to play over the hill and far away. This letter says, are you ready? V, v, v. Ooh, is it the V or is it the U? It's the V. V says v, 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 v. So we got a van. V, a, N. V, and van. We spelled van. All right, I have one more letter. It said, don't forget about me. 7 little letters went out to play over the hill and far away. This letter said k, 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 k. Oh, it sounds like a K, don't it? K, k. But this one spells like with a cat or cookie or cake. Is it k, 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 C or is it D? We want the k. You're right, it's the C. We're going to spell cat. Are you ready? K, eh, 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 t, 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 cat. We spelled the word cat. Nice job, friends. So if you don't want to use, kit's great for your letters, but if you want to find like a stuffed animal cat around the house, or maybe you have a real kite, or maybe you have jelly beans at home, right? You could use that to spell words for a visual too. All right, friends, thanks for watching. Take a video and record you finding stuff around your house that begin with these new letters.